Chef's Choice Model 1520 AngleSelect Electric Knife Sharpener. This electric sharpener uses proprietary diamond abrasives to sharpen and polish 15-degree fine-edge knives as well as 20-degree traditional knives. We will demonstrate how to sharpen a 20-degree knife. Pull the blade through each side of the guide slowly and smoothly, alternating each side about 3 to 4 times. Let the diamond abrasives hone the blade back to the appropriate angle. Carefully feel for a burr. If a burr is detected, pull the blade through the last slot about 3 to 4 times, which will polish and finish the edge. This polishing slot is also great for bringing sharpness back to dull serrated knives. Model 1520 Electric Knife Sharpener. For ultimate sharpness and effortless cutting,